So recently, when I was browsing Amazon, I decided to waste some money on one of these docking stations, and this basically just lets me connect my hard drives and SSDs to my computer. So in today's video, I thought it would be helpful to do a quick video showing you how to initialize and format a hard drive. You want to basically connect your hard drive to your computer, so if you're using the docking station like I am, you simply plug it in and power it on, and you want to keep in mind that the drive won't appear in your file explorer until it's fully formatted. So as you can see, I only have 2 drives, and both of these drives are inside of my desktop. So I have my boot drive and my extra storage for games. To actually format the hard drive, you want to right click the start menu in the bottom left and select disk management. The disk that is within your docking station should start powering up, and then when the page fully loads, it should ask you to initialize the disk using one of the partition styles. If it doesn't and it just comes up like this, you just want to scroll down until you see one that is labeled as unknown, not initialized. You want to right click this and select initialize disk, and you want to pick either MBR or GPT. So you want to choose MBR if you're using a drive that's smaller than 2 terabytes, or you're using an older system with the BIOS firmware, and then you want to choose GPT if the drive is larger than 2 terabytes, or if you're using a modern system with the UEFI firmware. You should also note that GPT is not compatible, or at least not fully compatible, with older versions of Windows, like Windows XP, Windows Vista, and Windows 7 32-bit, or any of the other legacy BIOS systems. So since my system is UEFI and it's larger than 2 terabytes, I'm going to be picking GPT, and you just want to select OK. This will then begin to initialize the drive. Once the disk is initialized, it should be labeled as unallocated right here. You want to right click on the unallocated space and select new simple volume. Then you just simply want to follow the wizard, sticking with the default options. So just select next. Then for your specific volume size, you want to just leave it as default. Then you'll be asked to assign a drive letter. Typically we just use the top one, assign the following drive letter, and you can pick whichever letter you want. Most of the time it will just select it automatically for you. So for me, I'm using the letter E. Then just simply hit next. Then once you reach the format partition, it should automatically select the options for you. If it doesn't, you want to use file system as NTFS. You want to leave the allocation unit size as default, and then you can name your drive whatever you want. By default, it will be new volume. Some people just leave it like this, or they remove it entirely. It's entirely up to you. And then the last option that you want to make sure that you have checked is perform a quick format. This option basically just makes it so that the drive formats in a few seconds, as all it does is remove the file system structure without checking for the bad sectors or erasing data. However, if you leave this unchecked, it will perform a full format, which takes a few hours, and it checks the drive for bad sectors and completely erases all the data on the drive. So these are the options you want. Once you copied these options, just simply select next. It will then display the settings that you've picked, and once you're happy with the settings that you've picked, just select finish. And once you've fully formatted your drive, it should open a file explorer directly to your new drive, and you should see within disk management that you now have a new volume and you're able to actually use your drive. So when I select this PC, you will see that the new drive is there, and now I can start using this drive to store data. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, it will help the channel a lot. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.